So today I'm going to show you guys very quickly how I still use an EA to help me place my trades. All right, so I basically pull up my EA, which in this case is my position size calculator. And even though I'm not allowed to use the calculator to directly enter or execute a trade, I can simply copy the data into my new order menu. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to copy the lot size because it's calculated for me. And based on the positions I set for the stop loss, take profit, and entry price, it tells me what the lot size is. So with that information, I'm going to put the lot size, I'm going to put the entry price, the stop loss price, and the take profit price, and then execute my trade in the new order menu. And once I do that, I'm able to still use the EA to help me calculate my trades automatically, so I don't have to waste time doing that. And this saves me time and still allows me to get a good risk to reward. Now, if you guys are aware with the updated rules, they now say that you don't have to have your stop loss placed right away when you're placing a trade on the Forex Funder. However, just to be safe, get used to this because as soon as you get funded, you have to follow that first rule that they had initially, even during the challenge phase. Now, if you would like to know where to get this EA and how to use it, I've already done a video on this, so I'm going to link it in the description below. So that's just it for this video. I hope it helps. If it did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.